Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA has shown a little bit of upside today together with the entire crypto sector. 4.3% as per TradingView today, last 24 hours. I mean, that is okay. That's pretty much average across the crypto sector. But the problem is that in contrast or in comparison to the entire range that we can see here, it's not significant enough, this movement. Not significant enough to indicate that the bulls plan to take the lead here. Absolutely not. It is overall a three-wave move to the downside. We have not tidied up this entire mess here, which isn't great. So I can share with you that so if we now break out to the upside from here, I actually don't like it. What I'd like to see is actually one more low and then a rally, because that gives a chance for an impulse. The problem is if it rallies from here, it could simply be a large A, B, C structure and it comes down again. That would definitely not be good. It might have, if it's really bullish, it would have to be a diagonal, highly questionable with that structure that we've seen here. So it would really be good to just get a break below the 13th of April low. But yeah, I'm not there to, tell you necessarily what will happen, but we need to understand the relevant levels. Okay, so of course it could be still bullish if we rally from here. I just need to make sure that we understand that from a market structure point of view, it would be better to just get that one more low and then rally in a proper impulse, which it can't do from here. If it does it from here, that impulse could just be a C wave after a B wave low, after an A wave. A, B, C. That would form a large B, A, B, C, and B, and we break down again. So the risk is high if we rally from here. There's always a way around it. Like, for example, if the actual low is here as a truncation. A lot of people ask me, is a truncation possible? Yeah, but highly questionable. Truncation means that the actual low is already in like that. It happens in crypto. It happens because there are some correlations and sometimes these coins don't get their last lows. Obviously, that's also why I'm considering the low could be in here, but actually it could be in here without a lower low, then only as an exception, as a truncation. Not a great way of solving this, but it's always possible, it's just only in exceptional circumstances, nothing you would normally plan for. Either way, there is not enough movement anyway to the upside at the moment to suggest that the low has formed. What would I need to see as initial earliest signal that some kind of a low is in place? Well, it would be a break above 49 cents. It's the 38.2 retracement. And then a break above 49 cents would, that would be really the earliest signal, right? Because it would invalidate the triangle pattern here. Or at least it would tell us that, something more bullish is playing out, because maybe it was a truncation, but it takes a break above that level initially, then above 51 and then above 52.2. That's really the most important one. And then we can look at possible upside targets, which we would then need to look at really. This is at the moment just the resistance range here. We would need to see how the structure develops from the low. But as you can see, as long as we're still in the range, we're at the lower boundary, okay? So of course this range could extend, so you might want to trade the range here, absolutely possible. It could, until we get really clarity from the market into which direction it wants to break out. The Elliott wave patterns here on the micro level are pretty insignificant, and also the movements we need a break out of the range. So until then, there's a lot of uncertainty in the market. And if another low forms, talked about in the last few videos, the downside levels to watch are 36 and 38 cents as next fib levels. What I would like to see really is a break below the 13th of April low if we form another low, because that would clear up everything here that happened, which is purely corrective price action and not a great base to build a new rally on. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.